I don't know if this is such a good idea. 3, 2, 1, catch it! But before we do that, we need to take a little bit better look at this case. This is a Nanuk case. This is model 915, and that one is tailored for the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the Flymore kit also, so everything fits inside this case. And there is also a smaller version, that one is called 909, and that Nanuk case is made for the DJI Mini 3 Pro without the Flymore kit. And if you see my other video where I take a look at the Flymore kit to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, you know that you get this little case. This is something else. This is rock solid. So what's so special about this case? Well, it's waterproof, which means that you can bring it into the shower if you want to also. It's classified to IPX7. That means that it's submergible down to 1 meters of depth for 30 minutes. Here we have something that Nanuk calls the power claw latches. And what's special with this one is that they can't just open by mistake like many other hard cases can do. They are locked with this little push thing here, so you have to pull that one down and then you can open up the latch. This lid is not going down by itself, and if you do like this, it's not going down, and it stands by itself, so it doesn't fall over. So what can we fit here? A battery, another battery, a third battery. And we're also gonna fit the intelligent charging hub that you get in the Flymore kit. We're gonna have a little compartment for the drone, of course, here in the middle. This is so well made, so nothing falls out. Then you have the remote. And the remote doesn't fit. It does, because Nanuk thought about this also. It's made to also fit the non-RC remote. So what they have done is that you have this little piece here, and then the RC controller for the DJI Mini 3 Pro is fitting like a glove. It's not as tight fitting as these other things, so you can't flip this one upside down. And here you have another little compartment, it's pretty deep, where you can fit your cords and extra propellers if you plan to crash and destroy your pressure drone. This is a little pressure valve of some sort, so it just lets in the correct amount of air to equalize the air pressure, but it doesn't let dust or water inside. I don't know how it works, but Nanuk does, and it does work. If something should break because of normal use, Nanuk has a lifetime warranty. And when you've been watching this far, why not hit that like button as well, because it's highly appreciated, and a super thanks is even more appreciated. Now we're ready to get outside and take a look how this case is going to survive, and if the drone will survive the punishment that I'm gonna do. I don't know if this is such a good idea. You really think this is a good idea? Of course, just throw it. Well, it's at least 10 meters down. I don't know if we should do this. What's the problem? Well, it's a $1,000 drone inside this. That is the problem. Yes, and? Just throw it. I'll catch it. It's gonna be fine. You will catch it? Really? Sure, just throw it, okay? 3, 2, 1, catch it! You stupid ass! You didn't catch it! But I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You didn't catch it. It wasn't that easy. It kind of came really fast. Let's take a look. It's just a tiny bit of dirt here from the grass. Let's see if these latches work. Or it's like nothing even happened. The drone looks amazing on the inside also. The thing we're gonna do now, that is to throw that Nanuk case over the bridge into the water to make sure that it's still watertight, because when it slams into the water from this height, it's about 10 meters, then it will for sure pressure in the water inside the Nanuk case if it's not watertight. We have lots of rope. Here is one end. And we're gonna do figure of 8 knot that you use for climbing. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Then the Nanuk logo, the patch came off. Can you see it? Down here, there is the Nanuk patch. Last time, okay? 1, 2, 3. Is here any kind of moisture inside this case? No, I wasn't stupid. I don't have the drone inside here because I don't wanted the impact to destroy the drone. Let's open it. Look, it's all dry. It's wet all until the seal, but on the inside, it's all dry. Amazing. Now we're really gonna try to destroy this Nanuk case because I'm gonna tie it after my bike and bike into the forest. And the bike I'm gonna use is nothing else than the Engui EP2 Pro. This case will never come loose if the handle doesn't break. So let's see how well this can hold up and how much is going to be left of this case when we're done. Okay, so that's it. So let's see if the Nanuk case actually survived this punishment. The bike was doing great, by the way. Let's bring up the case to see what it looks like. Oh, this was really, oh look at it. It's really scratched up, my God. And here it has taken lots of beatings. Let's see how the latches work. Oh, it's like nothing even happened. Look, it just opens up that easy. And let's open it up. Look at the hatches, everything. It works perfect. This is the quality case for your drone. Then a Nanuk 915 for the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the fly mode kit. The next thing you're gonna do, that is to watch that video over there, because that is the video YouTube recommended to watch next. And the video on that side, well, that is the latest uploaded video I have. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Over and out from Sweden. Bye.